Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Xcode installed, Mac OS compatible, and admin access. Open Xcode once to accept the license and let it install command line tools. This prepares simulators and device profiles. Next, launch Xcode's preferences to download additional simulators if needed, because different iOS versions require corresponding runtime images. Once done, close Preferences and open your project workspace so you can choose a simulator target and begin the build process. You now select the app scheme and pick an exact simulator device and runtime. This ensures feature parity with your target device. Make a habit of cleaning the build folder to avoid stale artifacts, then hit Run to compile. Xcode will install the app into the simulator automatically. If the simulator doesn't appear, open it from Xcode's Developer Tools menu. Keep an eye on the build logs for linker errors or missing frameworks, because that tells you what to fix next. You finish by exercising runtime behaviors: rotate, simulate locations, and trigger memory warnings to validate app resilience. If tests show weird state, reset simulator content and settings and reinstall the app. This reproduces a fresh device install, which often resolves state-related bugs. If the simulator hangs or the app fails to install, restart Xcode and the simulator, verify runtimes match, and make sure provisioning and entitlements are correct.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.